Vicky, and today I'm going to show you how to make an origami airplane with A4 size paper. So let's begin. First of all, we are going to fold it in half like this. We're going to now open it. Now you can see this line, right? You have equaled it. You can see this line, and you're going to do like this. Take this corner and do it to the line. Stick it with the line. Repeat on the other side of the paper. Now you're gonna like this. Now flip the paper. You can see this line. Do it like this and fold it. And you can see it's from the both sides. Okay. Now what we're gonna do? We're gonna take this side. Leave this side, just take one side and fold it down like this. We're gonna do it again. Do it 2 times only. Okay? Now we are gonna repeat on the other side. Please make sure this pointy side is okay, because this is the most necessary. Now what do? You fold it from this side and ta-da! Your airplane is ready to fly. Go out and play with it. Woo! That was pretty fast. But I'll show you guys again. So this is how we open it. Rewind. Oh. So we're gonna do this. Now we're gonna do that. We're gonna do this. And then we're gonna do that. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do. Oh no, I forgot to flip it one more time. Make sure you don't forget to flip it one more time. Oh my god, the corner is so messy. Oh my goodness. Just look at the corner, guys. Poor corner. Oh. It's okay. It's done. And this is your paper airplane. Ooh. Pretty easy, huh? So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and also ring the bell so you get plenty of notifications. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh my god, I can't. Okay. Bye.